Hello and namaskar and welcome to all the beautiful and gorgeous ladies to today's episode of Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks started in 2012 and we have 17 showrooms all across South India. Please make sure you visit your nearest Varamahalakshmi stores to experience an exclusive variety of sarees. Be it the quality, be it the pricing or the collection, we offer the best of best to our dearest customers. So ladies, sit back and enjoy because today we are back with another exciting episode for you with amazing sarees, and today's collection is going to be all about butter crepe sarees, something new, something unique, and I know you ladies like that. But first, let me show you my beautiful Kanchipattu saree that I'm wearing. My beautiful saree, as you can see, is a combination of blue and magenta, very nice and beautiful. On the body of this saree, I have beautiful looking floral butties all over, giving me a very nice brocade work design, extremely nice blue color body. Talking about the border ladies, I really have very beautiful looking peacocks here which are all in magenta color along with the floral jal design. And let's move on to the pallu ladies. As you can see, it's a beautiful golden design and it's heavily floral brocaded work, very beautiful along with leaf butties here. Ladies, moving on to the blouse of this saree, which is also a contrasting blouse. It's a magenta color. We have kept the blouse plain and we have a heavy, nice golden zari worked border. It's a beautiful saree. If you wish to purchase my saree, please do take a screenshot and send it onto our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's start today's collection all about butter crepe sarees. Moving on to our first one. It's a beautiful color combination, ladies. As you can see, our first butter crepe saree for today. We have a lovely light pink here along with the navy blue and green. Tri-color for you, so many colors on this saree. Let's talk about the body first. We have zari checks here along with a golden zari embroidered work all over the body, giving you a very nice look. Moving on to the border. We have two colors here, ladies. We have green and we have navy blue. We have kept it simple. We have a nice plain border giving the navy blue color, and we also have geometrical shapes here along with diamond butties here giving you a green color. Talking about the pallu, ladies, we have a lining pallu. As you can see, a beautiful color. We have lines here, we have geometrical shapes as well, giving you a nice subtle look. Let me now show you the blouse, ladies, which is a beautiful contrasting blouse. As you can see, we have a lovely combination here. It's navy blue and we have kept it simple, it's subtle, it's plain, and we have a nice border. Now ladies, please note that these sarees are very comfortable and easy to wear. I don't feel like any heaviness on me. It's very beautiful. All you have to do is take a screenshot very quickly to purchase this beautiful saree and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. We also offer cash on delivery services in Hyderabad and we ship globally. Let's see our next color. Our next color is again a beautiful color. We have two combinations of dark colors, individually beautiful colors. We have red here and we have a really nice ink and royal blue, if I have to be precise with the color. Let's see the body first, ladies. We have checks design in golden zari embroidered work all over the body in a nice royal blue color. Talking about the border of this saree, we have a nice red color border. As you can see, we have crisscross lines here in golden zari work which are interconnecting each other, and we also have dots along with small butties. Let's move on to the pallu of this saree, ladies. This saree also has lines on the pallu, very beautiful red color, and it's really nice. It's all in golden zari work, giving you a simple, elegant look. The blouse of this saree is a contrasting blouse, ladies, which is red in color. We have kept it simple, plain, and with a nice, heavily embroidered border. A beautiful saree. Please do take a screenshot to purchase this one and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's see our next color. Now coming up, a butter crepe saree which has beautiful colors. As you can see, we have a nice checks design here. It's a tri-color. We have a green color border here. We have two colors. We have purple and red. Here we have checks design in golden zari, and here we have plus signs which are also in golden zari. Let's see the border of the saree, ladies. We have a beautiful green color here. It's also in golden zari work embroidered here. Simple diamond drop butties, giving you an elegant look. Let's see the pallu, ladies. We again have a nice cross checks design which is also in golden zari along with lines, giving you perfect look, and we have butties inside of them, giving you a nice finish. Let me now talk about the contrasting blouse of this saree, ladies, which is extremely nice and gorgeous red in color. As you can see, we have small circular buttis inside of these lines, which are giving you a really nice look in golden zari. To purchase this beautiful sari, all you have to do is take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Also ladies, all the saris which you saw in today's episode will have their link mentioned in the description box below, so you can head on to your favorite saris link and it will direct you directly onto our website, so it makes your shopping easy. Happy shopping ladies. Moving on to our next color. Let's see this beautiful color coming up ladies. It's a really nice and unique one. We have all over plain sari. Two colors of green. We see a light green here along with a dark green. The body is plain ladies, as you can see a light green which is plain. And talking about the border, we have beautiful looking peacock buttis here along with lines in dark green shade. Let's see the pallu of the sari. This pallu has lines ladies. It's all in golden zari embroidered work, as you can see, simple, elegant, along with peacock buttis. Now the blouse of the sari ladies is extremely nice. I really like the color combination. It's going really nice. It's a darker shade of green and very beautiful. We have kept it simple and sweet. We have a nice border. To purchase this beautiful sari, all you have to do is take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Hope you ladies are enjoying today's episode. Let's move on to our next color. A beautiful color ladies, as you can see we have so many colors here. We have a nice navy blue on the border, we have pink and we have a light blue. Let's talk about the body first. Here we have checks design in zari checks, golden zari checks on the pink one, and on the light blue we have cross design. Previously you've already seen a model of the sari. It's quite similar to that. Let's talk about the border ladies. It's a navy blue. We also have diamond brocade work here, small diamond brocade work with crisscross lines. And the pallu of this sari ladies, which is extremely nice and gorgeous. It has horizontal lines which are in golden zari work, giving you a perfect look on the pallu. The blouse of this sari is also very beautiful ladies. It's pink in color. It's a contrasting blouse and it also has lines along with circular buttis inside of these lines. To purchase this beautiful sari, all you have to do is take a screenshot very quickly and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. We have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, so please make sure you visit your nearest Varamahalakshmi stores to experience an amazing variety of saris. Let's see our next beautiful sari coming up. So I'm here ladies with our final sari for today. Let's see the combination. The color is grey along with pink, and on the body, as you can see, we have cute looking small buttis in golden zari work all over the body, giving you a nice grey color. Talking about the border, we have very beautiful curvy zigzag lines in golden zari work, pink in color. And the pallu, which is extremely beautiful ladies. It has a really nice brocade work in floral, and we have a lot of flowers which are pink in color. The blouse of the sari is a contrasting blouse which is quite simple and elegant. We have kept it plain with a really lovely looking border which is all in golden zari work. To purchase this beautiful sari, all you have to do is take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. We offer cash on delivery services in Hyderabad and we ship globally ladies, so you don't have to worry. Also, we have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, so please make sure you visit your nearest Varamahalakshmi store to experience a wide variety of saris. Ladies, it is very important for you all to follow us on our digital platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and hit the bell icon along with the subscription box down there below, so you will be notified every time we post a new video. So that's it for today's episode ladies. I hope you liked all these beautiful buttercrepe saris from today's episode. I will be back soon with another gorgeous set of saris in our next episode. Until then, miss me ladies, because I'll miss you too. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Kritya Kada signing off. Namaskar.